Hey guys, it's Wes back here with another video. Finally doing one of my DIYs, and yeah, so let's get into it. I am doing Terrell, I guess you can call it like arm sleeve. Making kind of a replica of what she wore with the dollhouse. I got a picture right here. Let's see. So yeah, I'll be making that right there. Something cool, something different. I'm going to be using my cast technique. I'll tell you that more in a sec. But yeah, I might be meeting her here soon. She's supposed to be at a wrestling con up north. I am going to tell you guys a video on that. Not sure if I'm going. Well, I am going, but with the whole coronavirus thing, it more than likely probably get canceled. But yeah, I'll be doing a video on that little wrestling con there. Maybe next week or so. But anyways, so let's get into this. So the materials you'll need like this satin fabric. Bought this off a site called Etsy. It was only $5. I didn't need this much, but she wouldn't do it by half a yard, and it was actually cheaper buying it from online than going to like Joann's or something. So then you'll need like a piece of leather. Went ahead, the same lady that I bought this from, this was only like $4 for this piece of leather. Actually, I already cut it out. But that was only, yeah, $4 for like a little, I don't know, 5x5 square. I actually did look at Joann's, and they were pretty expensive. They were like $20 to $25 for a yard. Of course, I only need like not even half a yard, but that's about the lowest you can get, and that's still around you know, $10 or so. So yeah, I decided just to buy it from her and, you know, make it easy. Then you'll need your cereal box and your tape. Any kind of tape will do. I just had this duct tape on me. Like I said, I already did it for you guys. In my other DIY video, I think it was maybe 3 or 4 weeks ago, I was going to go to Tampa and meet the It Kid, Eddie. And I made that cast for him and everything. And I used this technique that I found on YouTube, where you just get your cereal box, you roll it up, and then you just tape it all the way around. As you can see, I already did it for you guys. Just used my arm and just made it a little bit smaller than mine, and then just taped it, like I said, all the way around, as you can see there. But yeah, you'll need some kind of cereal box. Cut it up, wrap it around your arm there, and put some tape on it, and then tape it all the way around once. Again, you can use any tape. I had that on hand, and I'm not going to use it anymore, so yeah. So then next you'll need is pretty good fabric scissors. I got this from my mom. That's going to be for, well, I cut pretty well with this. I'm sure it will cut just as well. They got super glue on hand just in case, but I think I'll be using the stapler, because for the how it kind of crosses there, I don't know if this material will glue onto that. So got my stapler just in case. I think I'm going to use it. So, and then the last thing you'll need would this be this vinyl. Didn't know what to use for her for the main you know, piece. This is what's going to be wrapped around all the way around here. Yeah, there was no good fabrics or something that would even come close to it. So vinyl was the best way. This was actually had a special order online. They didn't have this in store at Joann's or anything. So that's why I was literally just waiting on that, and it took longer than usual, probably because of the virus and stuff. But anyways, yes, it's like this nice sparkly, it's by a Circuit, a premium vinyl shimmer. Yeah, it was the closest one that I could find on there. That, I don't know if you can see it on here, but it kind of sparkles there. I know it's really hard to tell, but yeah, so this is 12 by 48 feet, or inches, I mean. That'd be big. Yeah, it's kind of like a vinyl sticker. It just sticks on there, so hopefully it will stick on here pretty decently there. But yeah, just around that same size, so that's going to be pretty much perfect as for the length. And then I would just have to cut the excess off, of course. So yeah, but yeah, so what you'll need for the leather, or for the black part, I don't know if you can see it, on both sides is where it crosses at, it's got two separate lines, so something like this, of course, will be on there and be a lot smaller, but you would have to, I'm going to somehow either staple it. I think I might staple it, really. But, yeah. And then what I'm going to do with this is cut out a bunch of them and form like an X all the way down. I believe she has, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 X's, I think. So we're going to try to mimic that the best we can. I know it ties off at the end too, so I'm not sure how I'm going to do that, but we shall see. Yeah, guys, so anyways, I'm going to go ahead and try to put this on the best I can on here, and go on from there. So I'll be back with you guys. Alright, so here is the product here. It came out really nice, actually. I know the video is making it really, really sparkly right now. But if you don't have any light on it, looks pretty great. I really like this stuff here. It came out good. It unsticked pretty well, and the thing almost feels like fabric almost. I don't know if you can hear that, but it almost feels like fabric. And yeah, I do got some creases in here and there. But I think that looks more authentic, because it'll look more like fabric, But yeah, I actually went ahead and got some of my paint markers here and did a few test shots. Oh, you can't even see that one on camera. That one right there, without the light hitting it, that was supposed to be pink. You can kind of see it. And here it is in black. Looks pretty good. And here it is in silver. So I think either silver or black will do good for a signature. I'm not sure which one, really. I'm leaning towards more silver, really. But yeah, pink definitely doesn't do anything, unfortunately. But yeah, I think I'll just putting that out there. But yeah, it came out pretty good. There's the inside there. I might do an inside in there. But yeah, so I think I'm making, let's see. I think I'm making this the big side, making that the small side. So I'll go from here to here, and I think I'm making, looks like I'll be making this the top. So this is where all the stripes will be, where all the X's will be, and yeah. And I guess I'm gonna have her signature right in this area. I guess it would be pretty cool. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put the black stripes on here, leather. I think I'm going to go ahead and try to use a stapler. I'm going to try it, see if it works. I'm just going to put it kind of along this little edge right here, all the way down. Same with this one. Got this edge here, go all the way down. And I'll be back. Alright, so went ahead and stapled the black line here. And if you can remember, I did 2 black strips. Just stapled that one there, and then actually had to glue the other one there. I guess they glued on pretty decently, and then I stapled that one there. And then same for the other side, staple. Actually, might paint the staples black if I can. And I glued it right here. I just glued it like right on the bottom there, nothing, just a drop. And it's been holding it pretty good. And then same thing, stapled it there. But yeah, the super glue is actually not too bad. Actually, it's not. If I go like that, it's not falling off or anything. But yeah, like I said, you can kind of notice the staples there. So I'm gonna try to get like one of my paint markers here and paint that there. But then the next step, I did a few examples. Let's see. Give me a second. So what she has on there, it's basically like this and like that. But the the thing will be longer. This is just a test example. But yeah, it will basically look like that all the way down. That makes sense. I know it's hard because, yeah. So look like that all the way down here. And yeah, I think that should come out good. I'm not sure if the super glue is gonna work on this, but we shall see. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and put the stripes on, and I'll be back. Alright guys, so here is the finished product. Very, very tedious. Probably took me just an hour just to do all the pink satin here. It took a while for sure. Definitely take your time on this. But yeah, it came out pretty good. Compared to that one. And then you got that one. Looks pretty good. I like what I did here, how I kind of like crossed it under there. It looks like it's going under and out. So that basically goes all the way down there. I didn't know what to do down here. I know she has it tied like right there. She has it in more of a bow kind of thing, but I have no idea how she is doing that. So didn't know all 4 of the X's would go on, but turns out it did. Yeah, she has 4 X's on there total, which is what I did. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, yeah, it's really about it. Just, I'm glad I didn't glue this whole thing down. I just glued it down right on that thing there. So what I was able to do is get, like, my stapler, like, staple that one first. It came over here and, like, went underneath. See how it's kind of propped up right now? And just went underneath there with the stapler and stapled it all the way down. So it basically has 2 in it each. There's one on the bottom that's hiding it, and then there's of course one on top. And like I said, I like how it kind of like, it looks like it's going under it. You know what I mean? So, came out pretty good. Not totally straight. You know, getting over here, the axe kind of goes to the right, but I think it's alright for what it is. I just like how shiny it's looking. But yeah, I'm going to have her, I guess, I think I'm going to have her sign it on this side here. Maybe have her personalize it, you know, to Wes, whatever, you know. But yeah, I think it looks pretty close. I'm really proud of how it turned out, for sure. Yeah, just that part right there where I just can't, I can't tie it on or anything. I can't, you know, I can't do anything. So that's that. But again, it's just for fun. It's just for show. It's, you know, it's not like it's for resale or anything. It's for, you know, it's for her. I made it just for her. Made it for her to sign. It's, you know, it's more of a personal value than anything. So I think she'll definitely like it. I can't believe how close this sparkly is. Like even the blue, it's not even like a dark blue or a very light blue. It's just that type of freaking blue, which is, it just looks so cool. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys like it. I don't know if you can do something like this, or if you have your own favorite wrestler that wears something close to this. I definitely recommend to do the cereal box thing for sure. I'm trying to figure out the total for the vinyl. I think it was $7. It was half off on Joann's.com. You can only get this type of vinyl online. You can't go to the store and get it. The leather was a little, you know, 5x5 strip. That was $5. And then I believe the satin for like a full yard is $8. So, and then of course the cereal box I already had. The tape I already had, but if you want to get, you know, duct tape, it's probably like $2 or $3. And then you got your, you want to use these type of scissors for sure. I just got it from my mom's thing from her house, so I definitely cut the fabric and the leather real well. And then that's really about it. So yeah, total, let's see, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Around $20, at least for me. You're looking probably another $2 or $3, probably $2. So basically under $25. Made. You guys can make one just like it. Anyways, I hope you guys liked the video. Again, sorry for the lack of DIYs. But yeah, anyways, that's about it. And enjoy the slideshow, and you guys have a good one. Take care.
Nice. The way she moves, the way she walks, New Orleans tough when she talks. One kiss from her and you can bet.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for your main event. Coming down the aisle, Wes, the Autograph Acquirer.